What's better than a caster with a capacity of 10 tons? One that is also maintenance free. Yes, you heard that right, 10 tons, 20,000 pounds. Want the metric capacity? Too bad. Our casters are 100% made in the USA. These 97 series casters utilize a precision sealed ball bearing in the swivel section, allowing for reduced friction and a complete seal from all of your crap. And if you're wondering, are these casters any good for automated guided vehicles? No, they're f***ing great. By reducing friction and forced load, they work wonders for AGVs and other battery-powered applications. In other words, these ball bearings make your casters easier to roll, which means less power consumption. 97 series casters are offered in a variety of wheel sizes, starting from this baby using 6-inch wheels all the way up to this behemoth packing 24s. Aside from the muscle, ask about our powder coating options if you want to spice up your casters. Blue, pink, rainbow, no problem. Caster Concepts, the leading caster and caster wheel manufacturer.